Hey, what's up, Telcoin holder? Let's see, my brothers, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, and absolutely, my brother, what's the opinion now. Let's see, my brother, but Telcoin holder especially doing very huge mistakes, so I can't expect this, my brother, from all holder, especially from Telcoin, my brothers, to why they were fails down like that. Last 7 days, you can see up minus 14.93%, last 24 hour minus 5.95%. It's a very bad news, my brother, for all of you now, but please my brother, this is not a bad. Absolutely, you can see here in the last 1 hour 1.32% they were profit now, so that's clear, my brother. So you can see here this time the price is 0.01%, and that's mean to the price is increasing now. And definitely, my brother, you can see here all week, my brother, they lost all week, my brother, they were losing now. But and last point, my brother, absolutely, after a fails they will pumps up, so therefore after this huge fails they will moving upward. And absolutely, if you remember the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour is absolutely is going to be profit now. So that's clear, my brothers. To upcoming times they will give you a profit, so why you are start selling? Please don't start selling and please hold it. I hope the price will be increasing. Let's see, my brother, my prediction is positive now. What's your prediction? Share it in a comment box, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And definitely, my brother, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please, for more this type informative videos, you need to like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.